We have our start, heat number 8, race number 8. In lane 1, the Dragon horses from TCBA Junior. In 2, it's Smoke on the Water. In 3, the New Dragons. In 4, Heritage Lions. Grrr. In lane 5, Wings on Water. Wow. And in lane 6, York Catholic Tsunami, representing the York Catholic District School Board. All 6 crews off to a good start. Already though, a couple of crews establishing a little bit of a lead. I'm going to have to go with lane 3. That would be the New Dragon, which is to be expected. The New Dragons, of course, started off as a Dragon Boat Club representing the University of Toronto. They took it very serious, and a couple of years ago, I believe, were nominated and voted the most successful team. I can't remember whether that was University of Toronto or Ontario, or it could have been the world. But anyway, they have taken this sport very, very seriously. They practice very hard and have represented not only themselves, but Canada as well. And coming down the center now, showing their style, it is the New Dragon Racing Club's New Dragon. Come on now, let's hear it for all 6 crews. Bring them on home. And I know we'll see boat number 3 later today. And you can see why they've done so well. The stroke rate, like a machine. In lane 2, Smoke on the Water. And now a good race, lanes 5 and 6. In lane 5, that's Wings on the Water. Wow! And in there outside, York Catholic District School Board, that's Tsunami. Here on the inside, in lane 1, the Dragon horses. And in lane 4, Heritage Lions. Well done. Again, just a reminder, it doesn't matter whether